Hey everybody, welcome to the live streams of Global Trade Live. Today is 30th of March and we are now live in New York session over here, so let's get started. So let's just remove all the drawings from the graph first and then let's just reanalyze everything. So basically GBP JPY monthly time frame is totally bullish, but the monthly candle is now retracing back down. So but if we look on the left, then we have some areas over here, like there is a resistance over here. The market is now rejecting that area, and the thing is the market has rejected this area as well earlier. So now maybe let's see, today is the last day or we have 31st also. Yeah, we have 31st also, so tomorrow is the last day of the month, and let's see if this candle closes below this area or go up again and close below this area or above this area. So we don't know about that, right? But one thing we know is there's a strong bullish push to the upside, and this is the support area of the monthly. So if I just make some visibility settings, so after the monthly, let's talk about weekly over here. And if we look at the weekly time frame, then the weekly candle has went all the way up and now leaving a huge rejection to the upside and now moving down, right? So now it has 2 days left to close, and I think it can possibly move down to test this area of support, you can say this area over here. So let's have a look on the left, like let's see what's there on the left. So basically if we look on the left over here, then we have this area of resistance over here, and the market is rejecting that same area only. So market has given a huge wick rejection to the upside, rejecting all the higher prices and now reversing all the way back down, right? So now the chances of going down is really high because look, if we look in this area, over here particularly, then this is a strong resistance zone, okay? And the market has respected this area multiple times in the past as well. So from here, look, the market just went all the way down, and now again the market has reached to this level over here. So the chances of going down is really high because it has done it earlier and it is working as a strong resistance zone. So I really think that the market's going to move down in the next 2 days, including today. So after the weekly, let's talk about the daily over here. Let's see what daily time frame is doing. So basically daily time frame has created a support down over here, and now it's respecting that support area. So to continue moving down, the current candle has to close below this area. That's when the next candle can flip all the way down. Okay, so after the daily, okay, let's just make some more labeling over here. So this is another resistance over here in the daily. So the market is if the current candle closes above this area over here, then this will be a formation of a range. So but yes, we know that below this area we have a good and clean range till this area, so market can easily come down, but for that today's candle has to close down below. And after the daily, let's talk about the 4 hour. 4 hour looks like it's just retracing, and now it will make some continuation move to the downside. I'm gonna here, but before that let's have a look over here. So if we need to draw some areas of support and resistance, then obviously this will be a area of resistance over here, this will be the area of resistance over here, and just hold on everybody. Okay, so this will be the area of resistance over here, and now what the market is doing, let's just zoom in a little bit and get some more information about the market, right? So what the market is doing, basically it just went down, created a resistance over here, it went down, straight down from that resistance, and now this candle went all the way up, and if you look on the left, then we already have a support which turned out to be a resistance now, and now the market is respecting that area of resistance. So the current 4 hour candle is having 2 hours left to close, and the way it's rejecting, the possibility of moving down is really high. Why? Because the market is moving down, the price is getting weaker, right? So if this candle flips down, then what can this candle do? So we have to draw area of support down over here, right? So if this candle flips down, break it low, then the first point it will be moving to this wick over here. So it's gonna fill this wick, and below the low of this wick, it's gonna fill this wick over here, and possibly move down in this area. So that's the analysis for the 4 hour time frame over here. And if it starts to move up, then obviously this will be the target over here. But I'm not looking for buys, I'm looking for sells, because the market is bearish, totally bearish basically, and I really think the market's gonna move down. And after the 4 hour, let's move to the 1 hour over here, and let's mark areas in the 1 hour. So after the 4 hour, let's talk about the 1 hour. Let me just zoom out. Okay, I think it looks good now. So now what's there in the 1 hour? So basically market is now creating higher highs and high lows. So there is a support and down over here. Let me just drop. Why yellow line is not dropping? Oh, what the hell? Okay, internet problem again. Okay guys, I'm gonna restart the streams. There is a net problem.